to subscribe!
Crong, the master cleaner.
Crong is playing with his blocks.
La 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 la. Crong, I'm home. Huh? Crong! Crong, I told you not to scribble everywhere. And put away your toys after playing with them. Clean up, Crong. Erase your scribbling on the floor. Okay, I'll help out too. All done. Everything is clean again. Huh? Crong? What? Are you still not done cleaning? For some reason, I don't think you've been working hard. Anyway, now that you've cleaned up, no more scribbling. Oh! Wait! I have to go! Pororo! Hi, Crong! Hi! Crong! Were you cleaning? It's really clean! Wow! I didn't know you were so good at cleaning. Yeah, right.
Loopy and Eddy thought Crong did all the cleaning himself.
Phew. Huh? Oh, hi, Loopy. I made a pie. Do you want to come over? A pie? Okay. Let's go, everyone. Okay. Hi, Tutu. Oh. Hi. Where are you going? We're going to Eddy's house. Oh, Eddy? Yeah. I'll go with you. Okay. Eddy!
Come on in!
Hi. Hi.
Hi, guys!
Hi. Hey there, Rhodey. What are you doing?
Eddy is fixing my car for me.
Eddy, let's go to my house. I made a yummy pie.
I'll get ready to go.
Okay.
Oh, Crong, thanks.
He did a great job cleaning Pororo's house. He's good at organizing, too.
Crong liked all the compliments, so he organized Eddy's tools.
Wow!
Crong is so good at organizing.
I think Crong is hungry. Poby and Harry are there already. Let's hurry. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Here you go. Help yourselves. Wow,
Looks good.
Loopy's pies are always the best.
Oh, it's so good.
Yum, yum, yum. Crong is really good at cleaning.
Crong, thanks.
It's so clean.
Wow! Crong has cleaned the table spotlessly.
Wow! He's so fast.
Loopy's house is now really clean.
That's amazing, Crong.
Yeah. It's super clean. Thank you, Crong.
I didn't know Crong could clean this well.
He's a master cleaner.
A master cleaner? Yeah, That's a good name. Master Cleaner Crong. So cool. Introducing the Master Cleaner Crong. Bye, everyone. Bye. Thank you for the pie. Where are you going now?
Oh, we're going to my house.
Crong, you're in a good mood.
Crong really likes his nickname, Master Cleaner. Everyone went to Poby's house to play.
Yesterday, Harry and I went fishing, and I caught 5 really big fish.
I didn't even catch one.
What's your secret to fishing?
I'm just lucky, I guess.
But that's still amazing.
Yeah.
Huh?
Crong is cleaning again.
Huh? I took those books out to read later.
Oh, he's very talented at cleaning.
He's really a master cleaner.
Crong kept on cleaning without resting. What do you think Crong is doing now, after all that cleaning?
So, the mother bear. You should be tired.
It looks like Crong is very tired. The night passed. And now it's morning again.
Huh? Loopy is here. I'll open the door. Come on in, Loopy. Thanks. Hi, Crong. Glad you came. Later, let's You cleaned again, Crong? I wanted to read some books, but I guess not. Let's do something else. Crong, aren't you overdoing it? Then, do you want to make a snowman? Okay.
It's not easy to be a master cleaner. Poby and Harry came to play too.
Hi.
Where's Crong?
He's playing inside. Is Crong still cleaning a lot? Of course. He's a real master cleaner. Do you want to go in?
Okay.
Hi, Crong.
You were cleaning again. It's sparkling clean.
It's messy over there. That's amazing. Oh, Crong, can we play with the blocks? We won't be messy.
We won't.
Okay.
Crong won't let them play with the blocks.
I'm sorry, Crong.
Let's play something else.
Yeah. Do you want some cookies?
Yeah, okay.
Here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yummy. It's good. I'm sorry. Crong, you don't have to be that clean. Right. You're overdoing it. What should we do now? What do you want to read?
Crong, it's hard to clean by yourself. I'll help you later.
Yeah. Oh my goodness! Oh!
Yeah. How is that, Crong?
Are you okay?
Crong must be very tired.
You don't have to clean this much, Crong.
Yeah, you don't. It's all right if it's a little messy, Crong.
Yes, Crong, you don't have to overdo it. It's the next day. What are Pororo and Crong doing?
What happened here? Crong? I told you not to scribble! Come here!
Crong has gone from master cleaner to master scribbler. But try not to be too messy, Crong.